This is an abbreviated videocast of our AP Chemistry All About This Course meeting for students and parents. The teachers for the course are Jason Just and Jarrett Summers. I'm Jason Just. My colleague Jarrett Summers is also teaching several sections. In this brief meeting, we'll talk about the requirements for the course sequence, the use of technology to enhance learning, recommended supplies, and if we have a little time, we'll tack on some comments from students, but that might be in a separate videocast. AP Chemistry at Lakeville South is a 3-semester class. It runs spring, fall, and spring. This is the first semester upcoming starting this spring. There'll be 2 more semesters next fall and next spring. You must register for those next 2 semesters coming up in the next couple of weeks. It's equivalent to a first-year college chemistry class, meaning it's a year of college chemistry. You can earn college credit depending on what college you choose to go to and what they accept as far as exam scores for that. It's recommended that students multi-enroll in Honors Algebra 2 during semester 2 of the course, which would be next fall. These students will test May of 2014. So what is this course? It's a College Board curriculum. It is a college chemistry class, and I can show you where you can get the entire framework as soon as this PowerPoint's over. It follows our textbook, the Brown-LeMay-Burston 10th edition of Chemistry, the Central Science. Technology is used to improve learning throughout the course. There are presentations in and outside of class. It's very rich in-class problem solving, and a lot of the content, the input and modeling, comes from videocast. I'll show you where those are as soon as this is over as well. And students are required to either do problem solving outside of class or, more popularly, watch videos outside of class to get the input and modeling and learn how to do them. The process of solving problems is both in and outside of class, and some people call this a reversed classroom concept, where you get a lot of the lecture material before you actually come to class. Where do you get this thing? Where do you get these things? At southchemistry.com. I'll show you where we host our website and where all the information is. All the videos are also cross-posted on YouTube. I'll show you the link to that in a little bit. Students that do not have internet access or do not have technology access at home, we can provide technology for them, and then they can obtain the videos on a flash drive. So please contact your instructor immediately if you need a piece of equipment, a device to watch or play videos on. Students receive an email every single day on their Independent School District 194 Google provided account. Students have to know how to check that Google account, and if you struggle with that, make sure that you try to get that figured out before the class starts. See a media specialist, or talk to your instructor as soon as you get into the class. Every day plan 30 minutes or so outside of class time, either watching videos and taking notes and learning that way, or doing some problem solving. There's also a strong lab component to this part. Students must have a dedicated lab notebook. They'll have various partners or groups throughout the year. There's a demonstration project that students perform during quarter 4 of this year. Many students choose to join our Chem Club, and we perform a number of experiments in that club, and then also go on some field trips to real-life places that use chemistry and or science to make money. Different businesses. The students perform a science show in semester 2 that's tentatively scheduled for Friday, November 22nd, 2013. And then students attend several elementary field trips to share their love for science in semester 3. So what is needed? First of all, students need to be able to access their Google account with their username and password. Students need to have a safety contract signed by their parents. Students need to have a calculator. Flash drive is recommended, but if you can stream the videos from home, which I'll show you where it is as soon as this PowerPoint is over, then you're probably just fine. Although it's handy to take them sometimes on the road on a flash drive. Students must have technology access outside of class, and so if you need an electronic device to take with you, please let us know and we can provide that. A couple of notebooks most students usually like to use. Predictors of success, which is our number 1 goal and the reason for this meeting. Students need to spend their most valuable resource on this class. They need to spend their time on this class. I always say prior planning prevents possible peril. Prevent the peril by planning the time beforehand. Be a quality reader, do some math, like to know why, like to know crazy things about why. It is chemistry, the study of matter and its changes. Want to know what stuff is made out of. So I'm now going to go to our website. Our website's called southchemistry.com, and it's located at southchemistry.com right here. And you can see this is our base page right here, where there's a link to the general chemistry page, which is hosted by Mr. Summers and is just absolutely phenomenally looking. And the advanced placement chemistry page is hosted primarily by me, and it's more of an informational page, and it has lots of things for you, and I'll click on that in just a second. Here's some information about our science show. Here's some things from past shows, a photo gallery and a documentary about the show, and there's some information about our chemistry club as well. So here's the advanced placement link. Click on that, and here's the main page for advanced placement chemistry at Lakeville South High School. This is where students can get the course notes, materials, and downloads. This class will be the 2013-14 course schedule. The course that's going on right now and is going to be entering their third semester is the 2012-2013 course. They'll be testing this spring. What's neat about this is students can sometimes want to look back at what other students have done, and they can click on this link or the links before to see, hey, here's the other videos, or here's the other materials that students have used. Here's some past test problems that students have seen. Here's a great link right here to a media player for your computer or your device at home. Works on all operating systems. Absolutely phenomenal. Good way to play the videos if you're going to bring them home on a flash drive. Here's a bunch of course information. I want to go through a couple of links here. First of all, here's the video playlist on YouTube. I'm just going to open this link so then you can see where the videos are hosted on YouTube. This is the LSHS chemistry link right here with all the playlists for advanced placement chemistry, starting right down here with chapter 1, 5 different videos there, and then going all the way up here to organic chemistry and a review, 18 different review videos for all the chapters. This is the syllabus that is currently approved by the College Board, and then this is the curriculum framework. If you want to know exactly, specific by specific, what your son or daughter will be learning, this is available at this link. I've already clicked on it because it takes a little while to load, but this is the AP Chemistry Curriculum Framework published by the College Board, and you can see the contents here, what the concepts are and what the practices are, and you can look at each one of the individual little learning objectives in there. Scrolling down here are all the previously released advanced placement examinations. This is password required. Students will receive that password in class, and they can get at all the past AP examinations since 1999. And our textbook right here has a link. You can click on the text and it's the textbook link, and I'll open this in a new tab, and inside of this tab a password is required to access the digital textbook, and the password is text, T-E-X-T, and that will give you full access to our entire textbook in PDF format. You can download the entire thing right here. It's 200 some megabytes, so it takes a little while. I recommend that you save the link target as, and then save it as a PDF and put it on whatever document or device you'd like. They're also available by chapter, and then here's the solutions manual as well, with all the worked out problems from the back of the chapter that students will be solving. So if you're stuck on a problem, you can definitely look right here and you'll find all the answers and how they're done. Here's the teacher schedule, bell schedule, and if you don't like watching me talk about chemistry, or if you don't like watching Mr. Summers talk about chemistry, here's hundreds of other videos that teach exactly the same thing. Some other links on this page, some references, and just an open door and score results from past year's advanced placement examinations. I want to click on the top of this page right here, the 2013-2014 link right here. And then you can see on this link here the class notes, video, and screencasts for the first chapters. I want to point out this link right here, student and parent data form. I send an email out every single day to every student in the course. Parents, if you would like to receive this email as well, click on this form. I'll open it in a new tab and fill out this form. Fill out this form with your student's name and your cell phone number, and then put in your email address right here and click yes, I would like to receive the class email every single day. And you too can receive the same thing that every student receives every single day. This is the Chapter 1 and 2 schedule. You can download this. This will be available in paper copy. It's where students take notes during the videos, and then the blank PowerPoints that students fill in as well. And then here's the video casts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for Chapter 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just an example, here's video cast number 4 from Chapter 2. And it's just paper and pencil and notes right here that you can see me performing. The videos stream okay from this site for some people they don't. They're also available via YouTube, and that YouTube link that I showed you a little bit earlier, right back here, if you just click back on the browser, here is the video playlist on YouTube, and you'll find this posted all over this website. Just a couple other quick notes. Parents of students, I think it's just valuable for you to know that usually students entering the second semester that haven't taken an AP course before, or even if they've taken AP US history before, they usually see an uptick in the amount of homework that students are expected to do. It takes a little while for the students to get used to the technology expectations in the class, and just the amount of work that is really needed to exceed and excel. It's a college chemistry class. I don't think I need to say any more that it definitely deserves attention every single night, and there's work that students have to do each day to keep up and not fall behind in the course. So please don't hesitate to contact me. My email address is right up here at the top, so is my phone number. And drop me a line if you need any more information. Otherwise, we look forward to you being in the class, and we really look forward to having your son or daughter have success in chemistry at Lakeville South High School. Thank you.